How to fix critical process died stop code in Windows. 1. Run an SFC scan as admin. 2. Run system restore, if you can. 3. Remove the latest updates from your Windows. 4. Update all your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Clean boot your Windows computer. 6. Run a full system antivirus scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Check your disk for errors. Commands include chkdskc/fchkdskt/rnote. This will help repair bad sectors and you may need to replace your hard drive. 7. Run DISM as admin. 7.1 Run DISM using command prompt. Commands include dism/online/cleanup image/scan health dism/online/cleanup image/check health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. 7.2 Run the above listed commands in command prompt subsection under Windows Safe Mode using a bootable media, if you can't load your system normally. Plan B. /sfc/scanO/offbooter /c/off/window /c/Windows, restart your PC, dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. 8. Run the hardware and device troubleshooting tool via msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic command. 9. Update current BIOS.